People believe you have to choose one or the other. You either have to choose fully spiritual, where in their head they're thinking you're living under a stone, you don't use electricity, you're not on social media, you don't get to eat tasty things, and you basically have to sacrifice money as well. And money is very important. It's part of the currency in this era in humankind that it requires us to do the things that we want to do. Now, some can say that everything that you do should be for free, but there are also companies, cigarette companies, for example, that are making billions of dollars a year on making people sick. So why you, someone who is healing people, need to make everything free? We all know that we cannot help other people unless we are helping ourselves first. And one of the most greatest things that I learned while living in India is that Hinduism is very self-indulging, meaning the more you are investing in yourself, the more it is impacting people around you, people on this planet, and the planet itself. I'll give you an example. The moment you start meditating and doing yoga, don't think that it's only impacting you. It is also positively impacting the people on this planet and the earth. Because you know that all human beings are connected, biologically, but more specifically, energetically, in a magnetic sense. Same thing with the earth. If something's happening with the earth, we experience it, vice versa. And we are connected to the earth in one of many ways. One of them is the magnetic field. We have a magnetic field around our body, and there is a magnetic field around the earth. Now, why is this important? Because whenever you are raising your vibration, whenever you are raising your frequency, and you are working towards manifesting your dream life, manifesting the life that you can only dream of in your head and take action towards to bring it to fruition, to make it happen, especially when you get a Vedic astrology reading and you find out where you're most supported to make it happen as soon as possible, but also the easiest with the least amount of friction, which you can click the link in the description to join the community and book for your Vedic astrology reading today. And this is important because a lot of times people feel like when people are only thinking about manifesting things for themselves and not immediately going to help others, that you're being selfish and that you end up getting corrupted by greed and end up becoming fixated and obsessed. There's nothing wrong with being obsessed with the dream life that you want to live, because unless you are obsessed about it, it's kind of hard to manifest it, no? Obsessed does not mean or translate to you needing to be a control freak and control every single step of the way and possibility. Now, yes, there are people who do that, but the dangers with that is that that is more unconscious manifestation. Even though you're not controlling every single step of the way, you are taking conscious decisions to manifest what you want. And the best part about it is that the closer and the more that you manifest the things you want in your life, the more it is positively impacting everyone else, not only the ones around you, but also on this planet and the planet itself. So if anyone ever tells you that you're selfish, that you're self-centered, and that you're only thinking about yourself, if you're not able to help yourself, most likely you're not in a position to help other people as well. And that's the reason why this idea is very toxic. And this is the reason why it's so important for you to manifest the life that you want in this life. Because it is the easiest way to positively impact everyone on the globe, including the globe itself. It is the easiest way. Now, it does get easier when you get a Vedic astrology reading. You get to find out where you're most supported in your chart. And by understanding where you're most supported in your chart, you not only understand your soul purpose, your life purpose, but you also understand where your wealth comes from, where your skills come from, what gives you a peace of mind, where did you learn to love in this life. You get to understand all of the different themes that has expressed and manifest in this life, so that you don't feel like an orphan, so that you don't feel alone. You don't feel like, you've been doing something wrong for a very long time. You end up understanding that, wow, like I'm actually wired this way. There's nothing wrong with me. And this is one of the responses I get a lot when it comes to people who are new to Vedic astrology, because it's not something that Western astrology can offer. So click the link in the description. It'll also be in the comment for you to join the community. Today is the last day that it's going to be free. So maybe in the next few hours, it's going to start being gatekept with the price. So join in now while you can. From there, you'll have access to get the Vedic astrology readings, okay? And I'll see you guys inside. Anything that you guys want me to speak about or respond to what I spoke about today, you can put it down in the comments and it may end up showing up and featuring in my next video.